Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle New. This time we talk about BTS Jungkook does not care what you think about his drinking and we love him for it. He's an adult, why should it matter? When BTS Jungkook first debuted as one only 60-year-old and it was not surprising that ARMY grew up calling him the group baby. And BTS Jungkook after he debuted, yet over the year Jungkook has grown and matured into an adult. Whether it is in his performance casual or just relaxing, Jungkook is in his mind 20 and it's not surprising that he wants to be treated like an adult, not the same together that debuted. And prior to his military survival, Jungkook had been holding special live broadcasts with fans late at night in Korea. And unsurprisingly, Jungkook would often be seen having a drink and sharing his choice of alcohol. And considering he is an adult and it seems normal, it was no different. No one particular night when Jungkook surprised fans with a live broadcast. When Jungkook started the broadcast, he explained that he was drinking a highball, and he then chatted with fans and listened to the music. And yet in the comment it seemed like ARMY and they were commenting for the idea to stop drinking. All thought it was probably to show they care for him. Many other fans thought it overstepped the boundary a fan should have, especially as many also asked the idea to speak in English. Me, when I catch the people always telling Jungkook to speak in English and to stop drinking, it seemed like Jungkook also did not like the comment and was not afraid to call out those fans. After reading comments saying stop drinking, Jungkook shared his own thought explaining that he was an adult. Why are you guys telling me to stop drinking? I am grown adult and I am 27. I am enjoying it while I am still young. And the ideal one went to the explain that it was his choice and that he wanted to enjoy life. He added that if he knew he could be born again as he is, he would not do that. You only live once. If I am born again as if I am granted a second life, I would not do this. And Jungkook has never been afraid to call out fans if he thinks they are in the wrong, even in previous broadcasts. And he called out those who had attended his private schedule. Jungkook might be the youngest in BTS. He is still an adult and should be able to make his own choice. After reading the comment, he was so honest with fans, showing how much he cares for ARMY and just want to the same respect. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.